Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. Hope so you all will be fine. The topic of our today's discussion is proportion. Exercise number 6b. Question number 7 is written as find the fourth proportional to 2, 3 and 6. We know that first three proportional are 2, 3 and 6 and fourth will be unknown. So we have to suppose it that this fourth proportion is x. In proportional form 2:3 proportion 6:x. To solve this equation we have two methods. First method is we will write 2/3 mean to say 2/3 is equal 6/x. In second method 2 and x will be multiplied and 3 and 6 will be multiplied. 2 and x are extremes and 3 and 6 are means. This is cross product rule. About cross product rule, 2 multiply x, 3 multiply 6. 2 is not multiplied with x, it will be written as it is, and 3 6 18. 2 is multiplying here, it will be divided on other side. 18 divided by 2, x is equal to 9. Required proportional mean to say fourth proportional is 9. In this method we will write 2/3 is equal 6/x. In this way 2 and x will be multiplied and 3 and 6 will be multiplied. This is cross product. 2 and x, 2 multiply x, 3 and 6 18. So 2 is multiplying here, it will be divided on other side. This is 9. So this step is changed in both methods. All other steps are same. You can use this step or this step. The answer will be 9. It means the fourth proportional is 9. Now question number 8 is written as determine the mean proportions between 4 and 9. Extremes are given, we have to find the means. Let the mean proportionals are x. In proportional form 4:x proportion x ratio 9. This x is repeating because we have to find means mean the two terms between these two. So these two are unknown, we have to find these means. So 4:x proportion x ratio 9. All other will be solved about first questions. Mean to say it has also two methods. First method is 4 divided by x and x divided by 9. 4 by x over x is equal to x by 9. Or second method is cross product rule. 4 will be multiplied with 9 and x will be multiplied with x. So in both methods x and x will be multiplied and answer will be x square. And 4 9 are 36. This is square because x multiply x is equal to x square. To remove this square we will take square root in both sides. Square root x, square root 36. Square root of x, square root will be cancelled with this square, and 36 square root of 36 is 6 because 6 6 are 36. That is square root of 36. So the mean proportional is 6. Now question number 10 is written as if Shaida can iron 5 handkerchiefs in 7 minutes, how long will she take to iron 35 handkerchiefs? Mean to say she presses or iron handkerchiefs rumal in 7 minutes, 5 handkerchiefs in 7 minutes, and 35 how long she take to iron. So handkerchiefs, number of handkerchiefs are repeating and time is given in single time. So let the required time is x. In proportional form we can write in both ways. If we will write 5:7, mean to say handkerchiefs ratio time, 5:7 proportion will be, this is 5, this is 35, so 35 ratio x. We have to find the x. Or we can write 7:5 and x ratio 35. Both two methods are same, you can write in both ways. But if there is a number of handkerchiefs, there should be also a number of handkerchiefs. If there is time, there will also be time. So in this method both ways you can write. We are solving by cross product rule. Product of extremes is equal to product of means. 5 multiply x and 7 multiply 35. 5 multiply x is equal to 7 35, the 245. For 5 is multiplying here, it will be divided in the other side, the answer will be 49. In this way the answer is also 49. You can use both methods. The required answer will be 49. Mean to say, she will take 49 minutes to iron 35 handkerchiefs. This was our today's topic. You should revise it, practice it. If you have any question, you can ask. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.